Did I? Oh,
Yeah, you did. You have to press the button.
Did I? 9.
Come on, shut up. Hey, I'm going now.
We get the fog that fireworks in.
It's quite cold.
7th September, so
Happy New Year. Daddy, why is that one carrot floating?
I don't know, but I hope it's okay. Free gifter. Special.
Can we read off over here?